Realme announced its Realme 14 Pro Plus and Realme 14 Pro smartphones, showcasing its color-changing back panel. They will ship with IP66, IP68, and IP69 certifications. The company is offering a pearl white variant of the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G series with a shell-like texture. Realme 14 Pro series features industry-first, advanced thermochromic pigments that react to temperature fluctuations. When the temperature hits below 16 degrees, the color of the back shifts from pearl white to vibrant blue and vice versa. Realme 14 Pro Plus will have a quad-curve 93.8% screen-to-body ratio with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Realme 14 Pro Plus will feature a triple camera and multiple LED flash modules. The Realme 14 Pro Plus will feature a Sony IMX8 9650 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a Sony IMX8 8250 megapixel periscope telephoto lens up to 120x super zoom, and 32 megapixel front camera. Realme 14 Pro Plus powered by Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and will bring Realme UI 6.0. Realme 14 Pro 5G series is confirmed to launch in India in January. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.